And yet the tragedy of the people who are actually celebrate the story, if you read their books and their literature and their discussions about the story, the biggest debate is what? Were there 3 or 4, 5 and 6, 7 or 8? Oh my God, why are you even asking this question? What is wrong with you? You know what's even more tragic? Some of our mufassirun in our history said, well, I think it was 7. The entire purpose of this ayah is for Allah as a teacher, out of His anger, to illustrate how dumb people's questions can get when they miss the point entirely. We are learning, people learn the story of Yusuf alayhi salam. People learn the story of Yusuf alayhi salam. You know what questions people ask? What's the minister's wife's name? Listen, bro. Listen, sister. If that was of any value, guess what? Allah would have said it. He's got 11 brothers. What are their names? If that was of any value, what would happen? Allah would say it. If not, the Prophet would tell you. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There's a reason he didn't tell you. But you love diving in these details. Oh my God, I have read some books in our history. It's a tragic history, really, sometimes. I mean, we appreciate the good that our ulama have done, but we also have to call out when things are off. There are 4 pages of tafsir I read on the color of the dog. The color of the dog. Was he gray? Did he have black spots or not? Was it a sheep dog or a hunting dog? What is the point of the story? Why is this being told? Allah Azza wa Jalla says, listen to what they say. They're going to say there were 3 and the 4th one was the dog. And after listening to this incredible story, the only suggestion they have is, I think there were 5 and the 6th one was the dog. And the other genius comes and says, no, 7 and the 8th one was the dog. Hence we call them the 7 sleepers of Ephesus. Aha! Allah says, قُلْ رَبِّي أَعْلَمُ بِعِدَّتِهِمْ. Tell them. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam is being commanded to tell them, my master knows better what their number was. Now, whenever you say Allahu A'lam, what does that mean? Tell me what that means. No, what more does that mean? I know Allah knows best. What more does that mean? I don't know. I don't know, and it's none of my business, because that's for Allah to know and not for me. You understand? Allah, Rabbi A'lam means it's none of your business, dude. What you need to know, Allah told you. Why are you focusing on the wrong thing? Rabbi A'lamu bi'iddatihim.